charge it. You don't have to put batteries in it.
Don't have to
And
put
go like
batteries in it.
If you like squeeze it, then it's charging.
Too much.
Okay,
Thanks,
Andrew.
Ella.
Andrew, open your green bag.
That's cool.
Oh, the screen bag. Oh.
You're already doing the prank one like
There.
Whoa!
Whoa, that's cute.
Angry Bird.
Andrew, push it. Bye, sound.
It gets the angry out, doesn't it?
Yeah. Okay. Now Aaron, you got candy, and Justin's got candy, and Sarah's got candy, and Ella's got candy.
Oh, you're in a space?
And this is your last present, I guess.
I'm space.
Open your present.
Go, Anna.
You can open them.
But I have space.
They're all the
I'm
candy.
strong.
They're all the same.
I am bigger than you. You can fly in the sky. I can fly in the sky too.
I think his might beat yours because his blows up.
Yeah, and you're the regular one.
Yeah, but I space.
That's true. He has the rocket ship. But he has the bomb.
I know.
Bathrobe.
Oh, Anna.
Ooh.
You got to try it on, Anna, and see. It's the princess bathroom that you can eat breakfast.